Amantu jareaza gukonia muingi ndene ya Seniti ni endekithitie uria wari gavana wa Meru Kawira Mwangaza kurua gukinya mbere ya kamiti eze gutariria ni atia gutingugi kuoneka ithithikite rungu rwa mubango jwa uthithwa bwa barabara jwa MTF kinya kethira igukuoneka mung'ana jwa nkuruki ya milioni 100 iria cianenkaniri kiria kandarathi mwanya kenda kuagirithia barabara maturene. Anthony Kathenya na riboti ije.
I, Reverend Mutuma M'Ethingia, Governor of Meru, do solemnly swear.
Governor wa kaunti ya Meru Mutuma M'Ethingia kwa ntukungi matindi tembele kamiti ya Seneti ya gusonkono tumiri bwake yena kiri thirikari ja kaunti ya CPAC gusokia bile betumiri bwake yena kiri miaka itukite akiyena. Governor Mutuma M'Ethingia akithagira isoke bile betungata bwa ali Governor Kawira Mwangaza emia mera dile kwa teterito ya kamiti eno ele waki no thondeki bwa barabara ja kaunti ya Meru gwitukira mubango wa thirikari neno wa MTF kulingana na mutari muneno wa madhabu. Thirikari ya Governor Kawira Mwangaza yanenkanile milioni 493 na ngiri 777 amwe na 736 kiri thirikari nene gwitukira mubango wa MTF na gute muradi nomwe wa waki no thondeki bwa barabara waomba kuthina mbere. Thirikari ya kaunti ya Meru ikirekana getanenkane barua no jiko ja kuona ni barabara jiko jathondekagwa amuna kandarathi balaba ithondekaga.
Senator Kawira and the local contractors in Meru have been crying because of this decision that was made at that time. We acknowledge that the government runs in perpetuity. I inherited both liabilities and assets concerning that concerns Meru County.
Maseneta baka mitino bakimenagire muradi ojo na kuligala gitumi mbesa ino jonde jasoka gwa kiri thirikari nene.
Nilikuwa naambia napitana na hiyo pesa kwa barabara, nikienda kuangalia miradi na hiyo pesa inarudi kwa Minister of Infrastructure.
The evolution is to strengthen counties and build some capacity around the entrepreneurs. So what is the essence of taking back money to the government, to the national government?
And here we are answering to the questions that we've been asking on the ground. Senator Kawira has been fighting also to get these answers.
Maseneta baba kamiti eno batongere tuni Senator Taita Taveta Jones Mwarume leo ni bogwite bakende kidiorole Governor County ya Meru Kawira Mwangaza gukinya mbele kamiti eno gusoke biole bikoni na muradi ojo.
Is why at some point I raised an issue in this committee that if these people are working doing their business and they missed the county and they are working doing business as usual and they arrive, why don't they appear before Parliament to answer queries when you are serving? I still have that problem. The officer who was in charge is still alive. And now, maybe he or she is doing a business laughing at us, seated here in the Senate, executing this.
It can never be assumed that because somebody has left office, everything that they did then is washed under the bridge, and then the next governor comes and says, it wasn't me. Things can't work like that.
Kuma mji muneno Nairobi, Mbeta Anthony, Rangi wa Kathenya.